meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, good afternoon. I hope you had a wonderful day today on this Tuesday. We've had some pretty warm temperatures the past couple of days, but if you like the cooler weather, it is going to return briefly here by the time we get into Thursday. Taking a look outdoors, you can see we've got a hazy sunshine in Corpus Christi with 77 degrees. It's pretty warm out there with that east breeze at 10 miles an hour. But in Rockport, you'll notice it's cloudier with 72 degrees right now. That east wind at 10 miles an hour. We've got more moisture in the air, and those low clouds will continue to move in tonight. But Beeville, still lots of sunshine, not much wind. You can see that flag there on the right side of your screen, not moving much, and that's that very light breeze blowing, making for a beautiful day here in the coastal bend, and it's warm too. In fact, in Kingsville, sitting at 84 degrees and not much wind out there. As we go through tonight, you see as I put this future tracker into motion, the clouds return, and there's actually a little bit of cooler air coming in tonight, a boundary. We call it a cold front, and you see that thin line of green. That's some sprinkles possibly along that front. But as far as measurable rain, I just don't expect that tonight. In fact, watch how fast the clouds clear out. And tomorrow we'll have some sunshine and another dry day and not quite as warm as it was today. So if you're planning on getting that car washed the next few days, there isn't any rain that's going to give you any trouble with this. In fact, dry, mild conditions the next few days. Go ahead, get the car washed. There's no rain in our forecast here through the week. But there's a lot of wind. And tomorrow, you'll notice a windy start to the day. Temperatures stay mild tomorrow from the 50s in the morning, but quickly making it into the upper 60s and low 70s. Those winds will be gusty, though, especially for the first half of the day, and then they'll gradually subside tomorrow night. So looking at temperatures tomorrow afternoon, it's still pretty mild. We make it into the low 70s in the afternoon, but tomorrow night, take a look at these temperatures. Yeah, it's going to be a lot colder. In fact, you'll need that jacket heading out the door Thursday morning, and then Thursday afternoon, it's a little bit cooler, not as warm as it's been. You can see those temperatures hover in the lower 60s for highs Thursday afternoon. Now, about that wind, tomorrow and Saturday are going to be the windier days of the week, and those winds tomorrow gusty from the north. Saturday, however, they're from the south, so that means much warmer air here will be moving in by early in the weekend. If you're planning on doing some boating tomorrow, may need to exercise caution out there with that wind. It's going to be windy with the north winds up to 20 knots and bays choppy to occasionally rough. So you need to use caution tomorrow as that wind is going to make things a little rough out there. And as far as your allergies, those could be acting up too. Pollen counts will go up, it looks like tomorrow and then again Friday and Saturday. So you may need that allergy medicine here the next few days as that wind kicks up those pollens. Well, right now it's a pretty nice day. We have our east breeze across the area, but you can see that colder air to the north. That north wind behind that surface front, that cold front, is going to make a difference. You can see the much colder air to the north, but we are only going to get a little bit of that. And we'll cool down just briefly. As you can see from this graph here, Thursday we cool back down, but notice how we warm back up sharply to above average temperatures. Saturday much warmer, near 80, and then we cool down again next Monday a bit. So a lot of ups and downs in temperatures, but as you can see, potential rainfall in the next 7 days is dry, so you'll just need to keep watering those plants. If you've already done some garden planting or have those flowers out there, you will need to water. There's your 7-day forecast then. The cooler day is Thursday. The winds die down Thursday and Friday, coming back up though as we head into Friday afternoon and the weekend. And then Sunday, it's a little bit cooler, cooling further for next Monday. Drew?